Prop 19 lets you do what you want. You can either downsize, same, no changes, or you can upsize, and you'll only pay the difference you only pay additional taxes on the difference. So easy math, you buy a house for $400,000, Prop 13 keeps the basis low, so maybe you're paying, I don't know, $500,000, by the time you want to sell it. Okay, you're paying property taxes based on $500, you bought it for $400, no big deal, but it's worth $1 million.
Yep.
And if you sold it for $1 million and you bought another $1 million house, you pay property taxes on $500,000.
Yep.
Easy, right?
Easy.
Okay. Yeah. Now that's ostensibly downsizing. Let's upsize. Let's go from $1 million house to a $1.5 million house.
Mm-hmm.
What's the difference? Well, $1 million to 1.5 is $500,000, and that's it. So you take the difference of the additional $500,000 and you add it to the $500,000 that you're already paying. So now you're paying property taxes based on $1 million home, even though your home is worth 1.5. And you're like, well, it's only $500,000. No, that's a big deal.
Yeah.
The statewide property tax rate's 1%. Most of us in San Diego County are somewhere close to 1.25 because of local bonds or whatever. But even at 1%, 1% of $500,000 is $5,000 a year.
Yeah.
I mean, it's almost $6,000 a year at the end of the day, and that's $500 a month.
Yeah.
Prop 19 just saved you $500 a month. Why are you crying?
And so in that same math equation, our taxes can only go up 2% annually.
That's right.
Right. So I've now set my basis at a lower number that can only be escalated at a 2% annual amount. So again, over the long run, I'm still winning.
And there's two other things that are really, really interesting. Actually, three. Okay. First, you can do it 3 times now instead of once.
Okay.
Big deal. That's a big deal. And the second thing is, Prop 19 for age 55 plus really goes into effect April 1st.
Okay.
Okay. You've got 2 years to change your basis. So let's say you're in San Diego. Now maybe you're worried about the potential future tax increases. Maybe you're thinking about moving to Texas. It happens.
Don't California
right?
by Texas.
It's happening, right? Maybe you want to go to Nevada. I don't care where you want to go.
Yeah.
But what I do know is this. What if you bought your house? Same example now. Same example. You bought yourself a home, primary residence, $400,000. You've actually put in money into it over the years. So you really own it for $500,000.
Okay.
But you can sell it for $1 million.
Yeah.
You know what's key about that? It's the $500,000 capital gains, section 121. I've got clients right now that love their home, but as soon as they hit $500,000, they're out.
Right.
Because where else are you going to make $500,000 and never pay any taxes on it? Right?
Nowhere.
And so if we think this through, that is the IRS section 121. Okay? $500,000 if you've never rented out the house, it's your primary residence, you live there 2 to 5 years, you can sell it, lock in a $500,000 gain, not have to reinvest it, not have to do anything. And then Prop 19, you sell the house, you've got 2 years to get another house.
Wow.
You could go RVing for a year if you wanted to. Who cares? Like, you got $500,000, right? And then you can come back around and buy another house, same or less of the original, keep your same property tax basis, or go up and only pay more on the more.